In this video, we want to learn how to create a LinkedIn leads extractor software using AI. Now, this is how the software will look like. It has a clean layout. You can now convert it to your Android app, to your iPhone, Play Store app, and different things like that. Now, you can also now make it as a paid ad, or you can put an advert in this website and make money, make it for free. There are several things you can use it to do. What this software does is that it helps you extract leads from LinkedIn. And you know, LinkedIn is full of business people. Let's say you want to do business with business people, you know that they are on LinkedIn. So it helps you extract their details, their phone number, address, different things that it can extract for you. Now, before we create the software, let's see how it works. So for instance, let's say we want to extract business details, contacts in LinkedIn that in America, so I can do business people. You can find all type of business like that. Let me just go to the normal one. Let me say dentist in let's say I want to do for UK. Let me say dentist in London. Are you getting it? Okay, so I'll get their details and like that. So depending on the speed of your internet, it will now scan the entire LinkedIn site and it will now get this email for you. Now, this particular software, now in order for us to create this particular software, all we need to do is to get what we call the master prompt. What the master prompt does is that everything you see here, we've made it in a code, HTML, PHP codes and all that. So we made it in a code, and let me just show you. So I have done it, so you can see that it has extracted just 25 emails. Now in the setting of this software, I can ask it to generate 100 for each of the pages, and you now scroll to extract it. So you can see it is just one page. If I click here on the second page and all that, so you can see it will tell you this is the number of emails that it has extracted. It has looked for 50 profiles on LinkedIn. This is the number of emails that it has extracted. This is the number of phone it has extracted. Are you getting it? So if you look at it now, this is the details. All I need to do is to copy. Now, if you go here, you can click here. It will now take you to these people, their LinkedIn account. So if I click here now, it will take me to their LinkedIn account and all that. So it's a very powerful software that you can do. So like as I was saying, how do we now build this particular software using AI without any knowledge of programming, software development, and things like that, using master prompt? So we've done everything for you into what we call a template. So that template is what you use in your master prompts to create this site on a copy and paste mode. So once you are done, you only just change things like the software name, make it paid. Do you want to make it paid where people can now pay to use it, or you put an advert? So when you join our software AI community, we'll show you how you do all that. So like as I was saying, you get this master prompt. We've already done all the hard work, all the programming. I'll put it in the master prompt. So this is how the master prompt look like. So all I'll do now is just click here and copy this entire master prompt. Once you copy this master prompt, the next thing you do, you now look for what we call AI software or website development site. There are several we can use. We have this one, it's called lovable.dev. It's very good, but it's actually, there are some things you do, it works on a credit basis. So if you want to do some editing, customizations and all that, it will ask you to buy some credits and all that. So for a start, we recommend you use just the total free one, which is Google AI Studio. There are several, but some of them are advanced. So this one is for basic, for those who just want to learn what we call vibe coding. So what I'll do here now is I'll just paste the entire prompt here. It's so long, it's about 30 pages and all that. You get it, because we've done all the programmings and all that. So I'll click here on run, so you can see that. So it's running it and all that. Okay. So now, how do you get this master prompt? All you need to do is to join our online software and website development community. When you join that community, we'll give you this master prompt. We'll also give you master prompt that we use to build a bulk emailing software that you can use to send unlimited emails, that you can also use to extract leads from Google Map, leads from Instagram, from TikTok, from wherever, several places. We have different kind of software. They also teach you how to make money creating the software for all that and all that. So in the description of this video, I'm going to paste the link. Once you click on it, it will take you to the community. You can join the community. Once you join the community, we'll give you all this master prompt. Then we'll also teach you how you download this software, how you upload it to your own hosting account. We also recommend free hosting accounts where you host it. That's where you keep these files online so that it will be yours forever. You get it. This is just a temporary server that Google gave us just to prove run, test run this software. You get it. So you can also go to our blog, touristschool.com. We are pasting every day this master prompt that you can now use with AI to also build professional websites. Like you can see this kind of sites that you build, church websites, any kind of websites. I mean professional, not garbage in, garbage out sites where you just go to ChatGPT and say, give me a prompt to create XYZ. What it will give you is going to be rubbish. So I think the software is done. So it's done creating it now. So it's loading. So you can say now this is the preview. This is how it will look like now. So you see it now. So yeah, now whatever you do, so let me just do something like this and just say maybe restaurants in Lagos or something to give me their, those who have restaurants in Lagos that in LinkedIn. You get it. So it will extract it and all that. So let me just minimize it here now. So here now is where you now go and now start telling the AI to do whatever you want to do. So I can tell the AI now, please help me change the software name, help me change the color, help me add my advert, help me make it paid so that you can now sell the software to others. You can add additional informations. You can extract, you can remove some of the things like that. So when you join our community, we'll teach you how you do all this. Very, very easy. So you can say now it's extracting the emails now. So once it's done, you see it. So you can see now. So you can see now these are the email addresses. You can see that the way this one is with different defined structures and all that. So you get it. So you just extract the phone number and the email address, then you make use of it. So that's how you create this LinkedIn extractor software.